What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andre King coming at you today with another wonderful video. Again, we're going to be talking about video introductions here on YouTube. We all know that an effective video introductions can mean the difference between a user hanging around for just a few seconds and getting bored and clicking off, to actually luring and hooking the viewer in and keeping them entertained on what's to come next. So you definitely want to get it right, but also understand that video introductions can be utilized for different reasons. For instance, it can be the holiday season, it can be celebrating something in your personal life or at work, or maybe you simply want to try something out. Again, I'm real big on creators trying and exploring different things early on in the channel's history, as you'll get a feel for what works for you and what doesn't, or even what options there are. So again, I'm going to show you one option that's very, very simple. Basically, enter the text, or if you want some photos, go ahead and upload those and hit a button and voila, hit download and there you go. If you're new to the channel, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Currently a new video is coming out every Thursday, and I'd love to have you on board. Thank you for those returning. But without further ado, let's see what's cooking today. So from your favorite web browser, simply head on over to google.com, and from the search box, enter Ipivid. Your search results may vary, but the link that we're looking for is right here. So go ahead and click on it. Just a reminder from what I noted earlier, this is a credit-based system, as there are no free options here. So you will want to head on over to the sign up link and check out the pricing tier there. On the screen is displayed the current pricing for the packages, and again, this is based off of the resolution for the video that you pick. One video doesn't cost any more than another, but again, it's simply what output resolution would you like. Be sure to check out the link in the description for 50% off your first order. So once you have purchased some credits, again, there's simply two places to go. The themes here present the different options for you to select from. And these are easy, preset, ready to go templates, basically waiting for you to enter the text and or photos here. And your collection of previously built videos are kept here underneath the My Videos section here. But to get you acquainted with the options here and to show how easy it is, let's go ahead and walk through two scenarios. Let's say it's Christmas time, 2021, and you're thinking about a real cool intro to put at the beginning of your video. Well, if we were to scroll through, we can see that here towards the bottom there are a few holiday entries here. 15-second clip here and a 22-second clip here. To get a preview of what the video entails, simply click on it and hit the play button. So as you can see, there were actually 3 locations where we're asked to enter text. Here in the intros were the fireworks displayed in the sky. Here in the landscape, of course, in the snow out there in the hills. And here on the screen where an icy text appeared. So to edit this video, simply hit create. You will always be presented with the options that walk you through what's needed and what your limitations are. So for example, here we have 2 text boxes, and for both, we can enter characters that are between 3 to 10 characters long, and any character including the space is allowed. We will simply keep Merry Christmas here, but we'll have to enter it in. Next, we'll go ahead and head on over to the second text field. We will enter Happy Holidays here in this box. And on our last box, we'll enter Keep Creating. Once we're done, if we were to hit the Make a Preview button, the program will generate some static images to kind of show the highlights of that particular video. So if you don't like how something's displayed, you can go back up top and simply edit that particular part. We will go ahead and put this in all uppercase. And we'll go ahead and select make a video. This is where those credits actually not only come in handy, but where they are required. So for your chosen desired output of the resolution, this is where you will simply choose the amount of credits that you would like to use to purchase that resolution. To save a little bit of credits, we'll go ahead and select 1280 by 720 pixels. Typically it takes between 2 to 3 minutes to go ahead and cook that video on up. Once the video is fully cooked, we'll go ahead and click on download. And here you can again choose which format and resolution you'd like to download the video clip in. We'll save this as an MP4. Alright, so once you've got your favorite video editing software open, you can go ahead and import that clip. Again, we're just going to go ahead and drag that on down to our timeline. Once we've done that, of course, we'll go ahead and expand that full screen. And let's go ahead and see what our clip looks like. So you see how quick, easy, and effective it was to create that video introduction. Not only that, but to bring it into a video editing software program. So again, you saw how quick, easy, and simple that was, of course, to go ahead and make a quick video intro, download that and bring it into a video editing software program, and to go ahead and have that one ready for the future. There may be times where you don't actually like the music that's attached to the video, but of course in your editing program you can simply detach the audio. If you're not sure, you can go ahead and mute that or simply delete it, and of course the video plays with no audio and you can add your own track underneath it. So back on over here at the site, we're going to create one more intro here. We're going to pick a short one here. Again, we're just showing off the functionality, and like we said, you can always preview any of these, hit play, and instead of hitting the back button, just click this little small X here to be brought back here. But we're actually going to choose this one again, our very first channel member, Sherry the Aggie. We're just going to create something in the spirit of her, and let's go ahead and type in her channel name here, Sherry the Aggie out of Texas. Again, let's go ahead and skip on over to 2. We will choose red. There again, that's to highlight this second word there. Here on our third option, website, www.youtube.com/Sherry the Aggie. Then we're going to go ahead and hit on number 4, and here up top, let's go ahead and type in "Hey y'all," one of her famous sayings. And we'll go ahead and make a preview real quick. All right, let's go ahead and change this again to the actual font of her channel. V is all uppercase. And we'll go ahead and make this look like this. Make video. Let's go ahead and bump that up to the highest resolution. Let that cook for a second. And so again, this is an introduction for our very first channel member, Sherry the Aggie. And let's go ahead and preview her intro right here in the browser. As you can see, short, sweet, and simple. 8 seconds long. Channel name came out. Her saying "Hey y'all," and of course YouTube channel there. Very effective YouTube intro to transition between a talking head right into the video. But thank each and every one of you again for your time. Hopefully you found this material beneficial. And again, if you want to try out the program, then the link to 50% off is down in the description below. But wishing each and every one of you all the best, wishing you continued success. And whether you create a little or a lot, just keep creating. So until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and peace.